What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ Jesse's channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the rear differential fluid on your Mercury Grand Marquis. Now, changing the rear differential fluid is just as important as doing an oil change, and for the same reason. Metal to metal contact wears out surfaces, and the oil additives wear out as well. So let's just get to it. If your Grand Marquis is equipped with air suspension ride, shut it off. The switch is located inside of the trunk on the left side. Place some wheel chucks in front of the tires for safety. Raise the vehicle up with a floor jack and support it on jack stands. There's a tag on the rear differential that tells you the year, month, date, ring gear size, and gear ratio. If there's an L between the first numbers, that lets you know that you have limited slip and will need to add an additive. Make sure you're able to remove the fill plug before removing the differential cover. Use a 3/8 extension and a ratchet to loosen the plug. Use a 1/2 socket to loosen the bolts from the cover. Make sure to have an oil catch pan underneath. If the cover is not coming loose after removing the bolts, use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off. Spray brake cleaner to clean the inside of the differential cover. Use a plastic scraper to remove any silicone. Do the same for the differential mating surface. Use some RTV silicone to keep the new gasket from moving when installing it. Tighten the bolts in a star pattern and torque down at 25 to 35 foot-pounds. Fill the differential with 75/90 synthetic gear oil until the fluid starts coming out from the fill hole. 2.5 quarts should be enough. Clean the drain plug. The drain plug is magnetic and picks up metal shavings from the differential. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button, and thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.